Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the photo and immediately duplicating the background so you preserve the original. Once done, zoom to 100% so you see true pixels. This prevents oversmoothing. Set your brush roughly 1.5 times the pimple size and pick spot healing for simple spots or healing brush when you need to sample texture. Make sure hardness is soft, around 0.50%, because a soft edge blends better into surrounding skin and avoids visible halos. Now you tackle the core correction. Use the healing brush or clone tool sampling nearby clear skin so color and fine texture match. This is why you sample, not paint blindly. Work in short strokes with opacity between 70 and 100% and change brush size as you move from center to edge. If color and texture differ, switch to frequency separation. Fix color on the low layer and texture on the high layer, which preserves pores while removing the blemish. Finish by blending your repair into the surrounding skin, lower opacity, feather edges, and if needed add 1 to 2% grain or subtle blur to match the original noise. Make sure to inspect at both 50% and 100%, toggling the corrected layer on and off so you can judge naturalness. When happy, export a flattened copy or save a layered PSD. Troubleshooting tip: if repairs look smudged, reduce healing opacity and reintroduce texture on a separate high-frequency layer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.